How's it going, everybody? It is a cold but beautiful day today. It's the calm before the storm. We're going to be getting a lot of rain. So I don't think I've shown much high moisture corn really this year. I know I showed, kind of just starting, checking out the combine in the first field. I might have showed unloading a little bit at night here and there, but I really haven't shown just high moisture corn. So I'm standing here next to the silo. We had the 3010 on the blower. I've had a few people ask me, how's the 3010? Because we usually have the 2940 on here. How's the 3010 handling it? It's handling it fine. It's only a 40-foot silo. So it's handling it fine. It's putting the corn in the silo, and that's all I care about. But let's start it up right now so we can let it warm up. Let that warm up. So we've been doing high moisture corn on and off. The main corn harvest videos I've been showing was filling up the grain mill trucks. We're all set with that. That's the higher ground up there is more gravelly, and it dries out really fast. So that corn was actually pretty good. I'm sure I'll get comments, why are you so late in the season combining? Well, our corn is just, it seems to be, everything's later this year. I mean, the corn we're putting in, we put some in yesterday, that was running 21%. We like to put around 22 to 20, we don't like going over 26. I had a neighbor telling me one time, talking about how they had a silo back in the day, a sealed silo like this for their high moisture corn. And they were told put it in the 30s. So he put it in at 32%, and he said it was a nightmare all season. Weather isn't always better for these sealed units. Even with the silage, we try to keep it around 50%. But we like it around 22, 24 is like where we really like it. Like I said, it was running 21 yesterday. That's not bad at all. So, I'm not putting 30% corn in there and then having a nightmare trying to get it out of the silo all season. So, but anyway, what are you gonna do? But the weather's cooperated nice. Like I said, we're gonna get a lot of rain, so we're gonna finish the field up the road, and then we got one last field that's a wet field. So we kind of been waiting for that. Waiting for things to freeze up, which if you see the weather, it's not freezing up. So anyway, finish this. There's probably a couple truckloads up there. We'll get that in the silo. I'll go up, get everything closed up, and let's run over to the grain cart. There's my ride there. Back to get the truck. So we're just a two-person operation. My little guy's not quite old enough to be running equipment on his own yet. So what we do is my dad combines. I'm the only one with the CDL, so I do the trucking. So I'm gonna park the grain cart, and when he gets full, he just comes up, unloads, and then he goes back to harvesting. And I come in with the truck. I pull up, load up the truck, and just take off to go unload. That way we're both not sitting around waiting for each other or anything like that. So
Right, Dad?
right. Alright, you all buckled?
Yep.
Alright. You put your window up? Probably cold.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't even notice it was up. Down.
You got it, buddy. get the last load. So that's a nice sight. Field all cleared off. Got the last load waiting in the grain cart. I knew we usually store the combine across the road in Dave's shop there. So I knew he was gonna go talk to Dave and see if he could go put the combine away in there because I guess we're getting a pretty nasty rainstorm the next couple days. So good to get that under cover and get that put away. Still got one more field of high moisture corn to go. Let me get up to this auger here. Alright, so let's top off this truck and finish up corn for the day. Get this back to the barn and get it put in. Sun's gonna be going down. I gotta feed cows here soon. Oh yeah. Oh, well, that was a good job to get done. Get that field cleared off, get a couple more truckloads of corn in the silo. Got the silo all closed up. Not sure when this video is going to get posted, probably closer to Christmas, so I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, happy holiday, whatever you celebrate. I hope it is an absolutely great one. So anyway, let me set my drone down a second and say I'm tired. I'm ready. Fed cows. It's time to get a haircut and time to call it a night. So anyway, thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. I totally appreciate it. I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, everybody.